Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add invite only script on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the indicators option, which is at the right side of the candlestick icon. So you need to click on that option, and now you can see the another section pops out right where you need to click on technicals, and now you need to search here invite only. Now you can see tons of invite only scripts. So once you click on any of them, and now you need to contact with the author, and once you communicate with them, you'll be able to add invite only scripts on your TradingView successfully. So basically this is how you can add invite only scripts on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.